This is the Capability for Work questionnaire for Universal Credit, the section Face-to-Face Assessment. As we have mentioned before, you may be asked to attend a face-to-face assessment with a qualified healthcare professional who works with a health assessment advisory service. You will receive a letter with the relevant details of your appointment if you need to attend one. If not, Universal Credit will write to you and explain what will happen with your claim. In that case, the Health Assessment Advisory Board will not write to you. Please let the Health Assessment Advisory Service know if you need a home visit for your assessment or for it to be recorded on tape or CD. If you need a home visit, you will be asked for information from your medical professional to explain why you are not able to travel to the assessment center. If you need it to be recorded, this will be accepted where possible. Also, please let the Health Assessment Advisory Service know at least 2 working days before your appointment if you need any of the following. Firstly, your assessment to take place on the ground floor. Secondly, a sign language interpreter. You are welcome to bring your own interpreter, but they must be 16 years of age or older. Finally, your face-to-face assessment to be with a healthcare professional of the same gender as you. The best effort will be made to arrange this, but it might not always be possible. Please fill in the relevant details on the next page, including whether or not you need a translator if you do not understand English or Welsh, and which language would you like translating to. In the last box, please write down any dates or times in the next 3 months where you cannot attend a face-to-face assessment. More information about the face-to-face assessment can be found on www.chdauk.co.uk. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020-8848-8319 or email them at info@dash.org.uk.